India is grappling with the second wave of COVID-19 and we are clocking in 3 to 3.5 lakh cases every day. The medical health infrastructure is struggling to keep up. We have an acute shortage of oxygen. There is a struggle to supply oxygen to different parts of the country. There is a shortage of beds, ventilators, medical professionals, etc. And in this situation, help is pouring in for India from across the world. Now, countries have pledged their support. They have said that they will help India to get containers, to get oxygen. All of this is coming in from different quarters. Now, let's take a look at which are the countries who have stepped up are the processes to ensure that help reaches India. What exactly are the steps that they have taken, and what is this support that they have pledged in terms of helping the Indian government deal with the current crisis? If you take a look at United Kingdom, they have dispatched over 600 pieces of medical equipment. Now this includes 495 oxygen concentrators, 120 non-invasive and 20 manual ventilators. If you take a look at USA, well, of course, we know that President Joe Biden as well as Prime Minister Narendra Modi had gotten on a call together, and Joe Biden had also tweeted that just as India sent assistance to the United States as our hospitals were strained early in the pandemic, we are determined to help India in its time of need. So what are the steps that they are taking? USA has said that the raw material that is required for the production of the vaccine Covishield will be made available. They have said that they've identified test kits, PPE kits, ventilators to be supplied. They will also provide oxygen generation and related supplies. And they're also funding BioE, which will produce a vaccine. So the ramping up of vaccine production will also happen to around 1 million by 2022 end. So that is the focus. Germany Chancellor Angela Merkel has said that they are urgently preparing a mission of support for India. Not just that, they're working on ways to get oxygen production facilities as well to India. For France, they have said that they will deliver 8 oxygen concentrators. Each of these concentrators will provide year-long O2 for 250 beds. They will also deliver oxygen for 2,000 patients for 5 days and 28 respirators and equipments for ICUs as well. In fact, French President Emmanuel Macron had put out a statement in Hindi. He had said that nobody is unaffected with the pandemic, and we know that India is going through a difficult phase. He said France and India have always remained united and we are doing all we can to help. Now, he had also said that each oxygen generator that they will send could help make a hospital self-reliant for 10 years. So that is something really important that will really help in this current fight that we are seeing against COVID-19. European Commission is working with all countries in the EU who are willing to supply oxygen or related facilities to India. So that is another relief work that is also going on at this point. Australia had said that they will try to do their best, and now they have given the details of what they can supply.